In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Deadeye on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to use Deadeye after you unlock it, so you will need to complete at least the second mission. Using it on the Switch is possible just like other consoles where Red Dead Redemption is available. So, all that you have to do is once you are aiming to use Deadeye, click down on the right stick. There will be a prompt teaching you how to do this, but like I said, if you still cannot do it after pushing down on the joystick, you will have to complete the mission that I mentioned. It is going to tell you that Deadeye is available, and all that you have to do is while aiming, press down on the right stick. It is going to use your Deadeye meter, and you will be able to use the Deadeye by pressing down on the right stick. If you are having trouble using Deadeye, this could be due to a variety of reasons. Like I've said multiple times, make sure that you have completed the prerequisite mission. It is very early into the game. Make sure that you have meter built up and that you press the right stick while aiming down. So hold the trigger, and once you are in aiming mode, then you will be able to press down on the right stick. Sometimes your joysticks might be having trouble being pressed down, and if that is the case, then you will have to replace your controllers. If you are unable to replace your controller and the right stick is not pressing down properly, you cannot use Deadeye. So make sure that you are pressing it down while aiming. You will hear a clicking sound and it is going to be used. Make sure that you don't aim it down. Don't push it down. Simply press on the button as if you are trying to click it, and you should be able to use Deadeye. You will be able to upgrade Deadeye later up to level 3 and further, and this will allow you to do more shots per Deadeye usage. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Deadeye on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.